Okay, so we're at 1801 California Street in Denver, Colorado. I'm gonna take a picture of this. So we're gonna go up to 39, and thanks to Jake Williams again, that the upper floors are inaccessible. So 39 is the highest we can go. All right. We're up to 39. Gonna have to go to. Let me see if let me see. I don't think they pressed the. Right. 3. All right. All right. Now we're gonna go down to the lobby. And this is also recorded with a GoPro, so. That's it for the 1801 California Street office building in Denver, Colorado.